Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So as you can see, I have both of them right here. And before we get started, you will need a little SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device, so you should find them somewhere in the box. Now, if you don't feel like looking for it or you have lost it, you can always use a paper clip and it will work just as well. So once you have that, you can then push out the tray. There are two. Now, if you're putting both the SIM card and the SD card, then I would advise on taking the bottom one out. It's the one that comes with both of them. And the top one, because there are two separate ones, is only for a SIM card. So let me just lock the device and I'll actually take out both of them just to show. You can see there is only space for a SIM card in this one. And the lower one, which I will use, is the one that has place for SIM and SD card. So to insert it, all you need to do is just place them in like so. Now they look like they're, at least the memory card is holding semi well. So once you push them in there, make sure that they're laying flush in the tray. As you can see, they are right here. And then while holding it securely so it doesn't fall out, you want to slide it back into the device. Okay, so let's just unlock the device now. And first of all, you can see already the SIM card pin. So the SIM card is working, and there's the SD card as well, message for it. So both of these are working. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.